You have to taste it. It is amazing.